Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
So get this, a single cyber attack cost a massive beverage company over 15 billion yen.
The attack was so bad, it paralyzed their entire network. 30 factories just went dark.
So you're probably thinking, what kind of super advanced hacking tool could cause this much chaos, right?
Well, the answer is kinda shocking. It all started with just one simple phone call. This is called vishing. That's voice phishing. Let's quickly break down how this trap actually works.
First, the scammer pretends to be someone you'd trust, like the IT help desk. Next, they make up some urgent problem to get you to act fast without thinking twice. They then trick you into giving away something important, like your password or security code. With your login details, they can just walk right past security, even things like MFA.
For the company, this simple trick led to total chaos, ending in a full-blown ransomware attack. Once they were inside, the hackers claimed they stole 27 gigabytes of confidential company files. And even worse, the personal data of over 1.5 million customers was exposed. Their modern systems were completely useless. They had to go back to using fax machines and paper. Now, here's the key takeaway. These same tactics can easily be used against you. So, how do you spot a vishing attack? You gotta know the red flags. Be suspicious of any unexpected call claiming there's a problem with your account. And remember this, a legit company will never ask for your password or a security code. Scammers will pressure you to act fast, so you panic. Just slow down and think. If they threaten you or try to rush you, that's a huge red flag. Just hang up. You see, this whole thing proves that the biggest security weakness isn't always technology. And experts are warning us that the time we have to react to these attacks is shrinking. That's why your own awareness is the best defense. You are literally the human firewall. Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.